To our YouTube tutorial on molecular mass and the mole concept. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts of molecular mass and the mole, which are essential in understanding the quantitative aspects of chemistry. Let's dive right in. Before we start this topic, let me show you the answers of the assignment given in my previous video. How many correct answers did you get? Comment below. Now let's start our topic. To begin, let's understand what molecular mass is and its significance in chemistry. The sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance is called molecular mass. It is also referred as relative mass of molecule. The sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound is called formula unit mass. Let's take a simple example to understand the calculation of molecular mass. Here is the question. Calculate the relative molecular mass of water, H2O. B. The molecular mass of nitric acid, 2HNO3. Solution. Atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is 1U. Refer table given. Insert table 3.2 from this chapter. In water molecule, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. So, atomic mass of 2 hydrogen atoms is 1 multiply 2, that becomes 2U. Atomic mass of 1 oxygen equals to 16U. Molecular mass of water is atomic mass of 2 hydrogen atom plus atomic mass of 1 oxygen atom, which is equals 2 plus 16 makes it equals 18U. In the second part, atomic mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1U. Now, atomic mass of 1 nitrogen equals 14U. Atomic mass of 1 oxygen equals 16U. Molecular mass of 2HNO3 equals atomic mass of 2 hydrogen atoms plus 2 nitrogen atoms plus 6 oxygen atoms, which is 2 plus 28 plus 96. The formula mass unit of 2 molecules of nitric acid is 126U. Now, we'll be diving into an essential concept called the mole concept. Understanding the mole concept is crucial for building a strong foundation in chemistry. So, let's get started. Let's briefly discuss what the mole concept is all about. The mole concept allows us to connect the mass of a substance to the number of particles it contains. It helps us quantify atoms, molecules, ions, and other particles in a measurable way. So, what exactly is a mole? A mole is a unit of measurement in chemistry, just like a dozen is a unit for counting 12 items. However, a mole represents a much larger quantity. 1 mole contains a staggering number of particles, approximately 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23, which we call Avogadro's number. Mole is the connecting link between mass of atoms and number of atoms, molecules in an element, compound. 1 mole is equivalent to gram atomic mass of an element, or equivalent to gram molecular mass of the substance. It was coined by Wilhelm Ostwald, who derived the word from Latin means heap or pile. The Avogadro constant number is experimentally obtained by Amedeo Avogadro. 1 mole equals to 6.022 and 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, molecules, ions. Also, 1 mole equals to atomic mass, molecular mass. It is also to note that molecular mass is also called molar mass or gram atomic mass. Now, let's move on to understand the formula used in mole concept. The first formula is to be used if the question gives you mass of the compound and molecular mass to calculate moles of the compound. The second formula is to be used if the question gives you number of atoms or molecules of the compound to calculate moles of the compound. The third formula is to be used to calculate any of the variables based on the values provided in the question. Let's understand this with some examples. In this question, we will be using first 2 formula of mole concept. The part A use first formula based on the mass of the element given. Here, Fe means iron, and the mass of the iron is given as 56 gram. That means capital M is given, which is 56, and small m is given in the question, which is 10 gram. Now, put the values in the first formula. The ratio will be 10 by 56, which on calculation gives you 0.17 moles. In the second part, Avogadro number is 6.022, multiply 10 raised to the power 23, which is n naught. The given number of atoms n is given in question, which is 3.011, multiply 10 raised to the power 23. Now, put the values in the second formula. The ratio will be 3.011, multiply 10 raised to the power 23 by 6.022, multiply 10 raised to the power 23, which on calculation gives 0.5 moles. It's time to do some complex calculations, which includes none other than the third formula. Let's dive in. In the first part of the question, we need to find number of atoms of zinc in 20 grams. So, small m is 20 g. Molar mass, which is capital M, is given as 65 U or gram, and Avogadro number must be known, which is 6.022 into 10 to the raised the power 23 zinc atoms. Now use third formula and put the values. The answer is 1.85 into 10 to the raised the power 23 atoms. In the second part of the question, we need to find mass of 12.044 into 10 to the raised the power 23 sodium atoms. Here, molar mass, which is capital M, is given in question, that is 23 U or grams. Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the raised the power 23 sodium atoms, and given number of stomps is given in question, that is 12.044 into 10 to the raised the power 23. Now use third formula and put the values. The answer is 46 grams. I have a practice question for you. Pause this video and find the answer of the question on the screen. Comment below your answer. By the end of this comprehensive YouTube tutorial on the mole concept, you will have gained a solid understanding of this fundamental concept in chemistry. You will be able to confidently convert between moles, mass, and atoms, molecules, apply the mole concept in stoichiometry, and solve various types of mole-related problems. Embrace the power of the mole concept, and let's explore the fascinating world of chemistry together. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Stay curious and keep learning.